Hey guys, I just got this awesome new smart drone, and yeah, so I'm going to be unboxing it, and leave a like and subscribe if you like this video. There will be plenty more of these videos coming out, so here we are. So this smart drone has all these features. It has 120 view from the camera. It's right here. It's right here, the camera, and it has it has Wi-Fi built in for the drone. It has altitude hold. That means it stays in its place. It has a little GPS, an HD camera, a headless mode. That means it flies around just like in its place. Right. One key returns, so if you wanted to come back in one key, just press the key. And an LED light up and 360 roll. That's all you need to know for here. And here's how the drone looks on the back side. So here's this. So let's get into the drone. So, here we go. Here's the actual drone. So it comes with this instruction manual. It just tells you how to do everything. The first page is in, I think, Japanese or Chinese, but then after you go to like the back, like more to the back, it's all in English. So it's gonna tell you like all the features and what to do and everything. So that's that. And then let's get into the actual drone. So there's just like a little plastic covering on this. And so here's the actual drone. It's quite small. And here's the propellers that's gonna lift it. Let's just put this on here. And here are like the little protectors for the wings. So you would just like do this right here, so they don't like crash or anything. If they hit a wall, it wouldn't damage any of the wings. So here's this. It has a USB on here, and it has a bunch of screws and I think 4 extra propellers, and a screwdriver in case you have to do anything with this. And there is a USB port on here, but right now I can't see it. So, and the control is really cool. Look at the control. It looks like a real gaming control. And this is where you would put your phone. There's like a little case for this. Did you? So, I'm back. And yeah, this control looks exactly like any gaming controller there is. Right here. I'll get a close up for you. And so, yeah, here's the power button. You would just click it once and then it stays on, but right now it doesn't have any batteries. It needs 4 AA batteries. And here, it looks, as I said, it looks exactly like a gaming controller. So, that's that. And here are the wing protectors, right here. They come with, they're 4. And these are just the landing gear. So say you need help landing and you don't want to like crash your drone or something, you just put these on there and then they just land it. Like they softly land. They're like, they don't have to be touching the ground with the camera. So yeah. And I have no idea what's in these white boxes, so let's find out right now. Oh, got it open. It seems like a bunch of wires. Oh, this is the battery. Here's, I think, a battery charger. And here's another battery charger. So, all you do is just plug the end of the battery into this, and then it will just start charging. And where you would put the battery in is right here. If you can see. Let's get this box. How would I get that? Oh, it's stuck into here. Okay. So here's this. I have no idea what's in this box. Just look that up. Oh, just as I thought. It is a not a battery case, a phone case. So this, you would like adjust it for your phone's height or width. All you would do is just plug it right here, like put it in right here, and then boom. And then you can start seeing your live view. Yeah, so that's that. Hold on. Here, so it's gonna be like you can adjust your, like how you want it and all that, just by clicking, like turning this knob. And see, you can do this, and say you want to like flat or like a bit at an angle. Boom. There's that. So that's all that. And I'll just show you how to charge the drone, and I'll show you like all the stuff that's on the drone. So here's the drone. The camera's right here. It shows you a first-person view, and it's an HD camera. And the drone's name is Chaser. And if you want to see all the LED lights, there are these blue and red lights on here. The blue and red. And then there's one light right here. And if you wanted to just charge the drone, all you would do is, you don't want to break it. All you would do is just put this in right here, and then it just starts charging like that. And then you plug this into not an outlet, a brick to the wall, and then just start letting it start charging. And then if you say you wanted an extra battery and you didn't have like an outlet, you just charge this, and then take it with you, and then this will just charge it up for this. And so yeah, as I said, there's like there's a USB in here. Let's open that. Here's the USB. Nope, these are the screws. So like, if you want to add the extra things to the drone. So guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. And this is not an actual USB to plug into the drone. This is a USB to plug into your computer, and it has a little micro SD card in there that you would put. So you would take out the micro SD card from the drone and plug this USB into your computer and put it in there to take all your pictures and all that from there. And oh, I was wrong about one thing. The battery on here is, you would like remove this, and then the battery's like right here. And then that's what this battery's for. You can just charge the battery with this, and you can charge that with the other cable, this one right here. So you can be charging everything at like 2 things at the same time. So, and you can adjust your cameras, like how, like what position you want it to be at and all that. But I think you can do it from this, the controller. And yeah, so here's a little preview of the lights. Here we are. Here's that. And yeah, so that's it. And then the propellers will just go like this. And then, yeah, then they would just start flying. So that concludes the end of the video. And I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time on my next video.